The BM30 cold pressure welder is a durable, manually operated machine for joining non-ferrous wire up to 1.80 mm in diameter. It can be used either on a workbench or supplied with a trolley, so the operator can wheel it easily to the work area. Because of its basic design, the BM30 is very strong and simple to operate. It has few component parts, requires little maintenance, and is extremely reliable. The industry-standard die fits neatly into the die pocket, after which the die gap is adjusted to suit the diameter of the material by turning the screw on top of the welding head. Inserting the material is very straightforward. The gates are opened and the wire or strip is simply fed into either side of the die. The BM30 is operated by pressing the lever 4 or 5 times to complete the weld, which is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material. To free the welded wire, the release lever is pressed down and the handle raised as far as possible. Both the gates and the die will open wide. The wire is lifted out and the flash removed.